Sir, what was the matter related with land grab of Comunidade of Anjuna?
These are two matters which have come up in the High Court. Now, this is a disclosure about two cases of land grabbing of Comunidade lands now. Insofar as one land is concerned, it is around 2 lakh square meters. All fraudulent documents are executed. Fraudulent documents are produced on record on the basis of which the survey records are manipulated. Now, this is a case about Comunidade. This is a gross case. There is a second case about the Comunidade of Anjuna where the area of 32,000 square meters is involved. We are trying to find out all the documents, but the documents which are produced on record by that party prima facie appear to be fraudulent documents. It appears that this document which they rely upon concerns some property of 400 square meters, based on which now they claim that property of 32,000 square meter was granted by the Comunidade. Now all this appears to be a fraud. This appears to be the same modus operandi which was involved in the other land grabbing cases. So the government submitted before the High Court saying that this has to be gone into serious inquiries have to be conducted insofar as these two land transactions are concerned. The court has directed that no further activities or any construction activities in these two properties should be carried out by the interested party, and the matter has been fixed by the High Court after vacation for further hearing.
These two matter is not before the SIT.
These are not before the SIT. These do not form part of the SIT.